Many of us undoubtedly believe that people may be found anywhere in the world. There are billions of us, and it appears like there are other people everywhere you go, and there is no longer any wild or wilderness in the planet as everything has been explored. However, this is not the case. The world is huge, and there are still locations that are as far as inaccessible as they were thousands of years ago. Perhaps you still want to be among a few people while being isolated from the rest of the world. In this scenario, you should probably go to the island of Tristan da Cunha, which is the most isolated area on the planet that is really inhabited by humans. The little island has a population of only 264 people, and the nearest other human population will be situated 2,000 kilometers away on the island of St. Helena, which is also rather isolated. The next continent is Africa, which is 2,400 kilometers away. Now, let's imagine that you are placed in the center of Devon Island, which is a part of the Canadian archipelago. This island is about the size of Croatia, yet it has 0 people living on it. Nobody. It's just you. As far as the land allows, you are completely alone. You might believe that the South Pole is among the world's most inaccessible and remote locations. While that used to be the case, there is now a permanent research station at the South Pole with up to 150 scientists working there at any given time. This particular location in Antarctica is the one that is the most difficult to access and leave. This is not, however, the most isolated area of land on the planet. The South Atlantic island or Bouvet Island deserves to hold that distinction. It is small, covered with ice, and completely devoid of any human habitation. The closest other lands to you is Queen Maud Land, which is 1,600 kilometers away off the coast of Antarctica, and it is also an uninhabited island. The sea has not yet been taken into account. The Marianas Trench, located nearly 11 kilometers beneath the surface of the ocean, would be a truly lonely place if we ignore distance and focus only on the physical barriers separating you from every other person. In all of human history, only 3 individuals have ever reached the bottom, with the most recent instance occurring in 2012. These are only a handful of the isolated and lonely areas on our planet. There are still many uncharted and untamed places in the world that have yet to be discovered. There are still locations that provide relief from the bustle of modern life, from the most remote inhabited place on earth to the bottom of the ocean. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. We will be back next week with another exciting episode. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. God bless you all.